How to use Arlo camera without subscription. To use Arlo cameras without a subscription, follow these steps. First of all, local storage. Use an Arlo Smart Hub or base station with local storage capabilities. Save recordings to a USB drive or micro SD card. Note: remote access to these recordings may require being on the same network. After that, live viewing. Access live video feeds through the Arlo app without needing a subscription. Then understand limitations. Features like cloud storage, advanced motion detection, and smart notification are only available with a subscription. Then check compatibility. Ensure your camera model supports local storage with the hub or base station. Some newer models like the Arlo Essential 2nd Gen may not work with older hubs. Finally, consider alternatives. If the limitations are restrictive, explore other systems like Unify, Protect, or UFI, which offer robust local storage without subscription fees. With proper setup, you can use Arlo cameras without a subscription but expect reduced features and remote access options.